Sitoy, number 14. Stop, pump, reload. Good for 3 points. Nakawala, 2 in 1. Sitoy, number 3. Sitoy, nakalabaw, yun sa board. Good for 2 points. Pass to Sitoy, dancing with the ball. 1 in 1. Sitoy, stop, pump, reload. No problem. Good for 2 points. Sitoy to Sitoy, pumukol ang pump. Good for 3 points. One pass to Sitoy. Sitoy, nakawala, lumipad. Good for 2 points. Sitoy. Sitoy, dancing ball, dancing, shaking, beating, good for 2 points. Sitoy na mo talagang intra, may pass to Ming dito sa gilid, tirang tamad. Lumabas, rebound by Sitoy, put back, yun sa board, good for 2 points. Sitoy, papalang ball, 1 in 1. Sitoy na wala, sa gitna, lumipad. What a nice move by Sitoy. Dito number 20, pinatuwang bola, pass to Sitoy. Sitoy, lumipad, nakawala, good for 2 points. Sitoy. Ito na si number 14 rather, sumubok, good for 2 points. Sitoy, stop, pump, reload, sumubok, good for 3 points. Sitoy, ito si Pardy Hito, long pass to Secretario. 5 2 and 2, Sitoy, dancing with the ball again, chop, pumihit, sumubok, good for 2 points. Binigyan ng screen, ito si by Sitoy. Sitoy nag-isa ikaw, nang wala Sitoy, tirang tamad.